Hey guys, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm a paid media expert and entrepreneur, and in this episode I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you could get started on your career in digital marketing and how I personally got my start. But before I get into that, I need you guys to go smash the subscribe button so you guys never miss another video ever again. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any questions. I'm going to be answering every single one of them. So for background, I actually didn't get into digital marketing on purpose. When I was in college, I graduated 2 years early by taking CLEP exams. If you guys haven't heard of them before, they allow you to test out of college courses. So I did that. I was like a year into college. I was in my senior year after a year, and I was like, let me see something. I had to go to the library in order to study for CLEP exams. Why don't I just put this online? So I did that. I built a service around it. And let me tell you guys, once you guys build a business, nobody's gonna know about it unless you advertise about it or you market about it. In my situation, it was a solely online business, so it had to be marketed online. So I got into running Google and Bing search ads. Now, after doing this, I realized really quickly that you learn advertising, marketing, digital marketing really quickly if you're spending your own money and not spending somebody else's money. So that's how I got into it. It started with Google ads and Bing ads, and then eventually I ended up getting a job at VaynerMedia. Now I work at the Sasha Group. I do paid media. I do a lot of consulting. I do education stuff, and then also just media management of clients. And those of you that have watched a ton of my videos before know that I do a ton of things outside of that. Media consulting, running paid media for other clients. And then I've also expanded this. I started an Amazon business. I started several other businesses that are really just built on the back of like me knowing distribution, me knowing operations, me being able to set up a business, build a website, or post something on Amazon, and then use arbitrage through digital media to be able to take advantage of this. Odds are, if you found me and haven't heard of me before, you're finding this as a result of a skill that I learned from digital media, which was finding that you can see what people are searching for online, see what they're showing intent for, and then giving that to them. That's what I'm doing with my content on YouTube. I'm not making videos that I think people are going to want. I'm making videos that people are already asking for and then ranking for them within the YouTube algorithm. But enough of that. Let's get into what I think you guys should do if you guys want to start a career in digital marketing today in 2020. So hands down, what I think you guys should do, and this is not going to be popular advice because most of the gurus on the internet want you guys to start a social media marketing agency or go run ads for a bunch of small businesses. I don't think you should do that at all. I think you should do one of two things. Either one, do exactly what I did and start running ads on your own. Start a business, or maybe even just run ads around yourself, right? Make videos about a certain niche or something like that. Run ads around it so that you could get started and get an idea of how ads work. And then what I think everybody should do, or you could just totally skip that, I think you guys all need to go work at an advertising agency. I think VaynerMedia, the Sasha Group are perfect places to start, not just because they work with a lot of cool clients, but also because the company culture is amazing and the people there are incredibly smart. But nevertheless, I think the best way to get started in digital marketing, whether you want to be on the media buying side, the creative side, any side of it, you guys need to go work at an agency. I know people that work at agencies make much less money than if you go and work for a private or public company. But guys, the value that you're going to get from working at an agency is going to be enormous. You're going to work across so many clients, so many different opportunities, so many different initiatives. You're going to meet so many new people. It's really going to allow you to build up your network very quickly. And then you can go into, a private or a public company later on in your career where yes, you will make a lot more money, but let's do that later in your career after you have all the experience. Don't try to do that right from the get-go. Right from the get-go, you guys need to go work at an advertising agency. Now, like I said, I know this might be really difficult for a lot of you guys to do, so some things that you can do to make you stand out in the interview process, run ads on your own. Even if it's $100, $200, run some ads so that you guys have some feedback. Make sure you guys watch every single video that's out there on YouTube. Read every single article around digital marketing, around running ads, around how to optimize ads, around how to build reports. Another thing that you guys can do, and this is going to be huge, get really good at Excel. Know how to be able to do a VLOOKUP. Know how to build certain formulas. Learn how to use filters. Learn how to slice something up in a pivot table. You guys are going to need to be able to do this. And if that doesn't ring a bell with you and you want to be on the creative side, learn how to edit videos. Use Over, use Canva, use Photoshop, use the whole Adobe suite. You guys need to be learning all these things. Even if you just make videos of you talking in the microphone or whatever the case may be, build up a portfolio of that so that you guys can get an entry-level position somewhere. And I do not think that you guys should be above getting an entry-level position somewhere. When I first started at VaynerMedia as an analyst, there were a ton of people that were like 26, 27, 28 years old. They were coming in as an analyst, which was probably them making a career switch. But I don't think that's a bad move at all because you're going to start to meet so many people and you're really going to put your career on the right track. And honestly, you could leave a job as an analyst and go start your own company or go leverage that skills outside of work and make so much more money. So don't think that you need to just keep moving forward. Sometimes it's best to take one step back to be able to move move forward 100 times. The final piece of advice that I have for you guys, go watch those YouTube videos. Like I said, learn how to optimize ads. Even just learn the keywords that are being used. KPI, CPM, CPC. Learn what all of these things mean, and then the final thing that you guys should be doing is getting all the certifications that you can. Get all the Google certifications, the Google Learning Academy or whatever it's called. They change it and rebrand it and change the name all the time. Go get all their certifications. They're great. Facebook Blueprint certification, go get that. You could do the same thing for Bing. Get all of these different things, and that is going to really allow you guys to separate your resume in a stack of resumes. Even if you don't have any other experience and this is the first experience that you're getting, at least you guys have some know-how, some knowledge, and then what you want to do when you get into the interview is express that, yes, I've taken the steps to be able to learn this stuff, but at the end of the day, you can really only learn about advertising, digital media by putting stuff out and spending money. So you guys are going to have to show that you're willing to do that. I put in the work up front. I learned all of these things, and I'm really, really hungry to learn. I just need an opportunity. And if you guys do that to 10, 20, 100 agencies, I guarantee they're going to hire one of you guys, because at the end of the day, the biggest problem that most agencies have is that they're understaffed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below. Like I said, I'm going to be answering all of them, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in my next video.